Hello! We are going to be unboxing the GE Appliances Dryer Power Cord 4 wires. Fits most... What's that say?
Leading brands of electric dryers.
Molded on right angle plug, keeps cord close to wall. Ring terminals allow easy to hook up. What's this say?
Cord clamp is provided to relieve strain on terminals.
Read the rest.
6 foot length, 1.83 meters, and 30 amps.
So, let's open it up and see what we get in here. Nice thick cord. I believe it's 8 gauge wires. You get the clamp for the back of the dryer. You get the instruction book. Here's the cord. Nice quality plug. Here's the ring terminals to hook up to the back of the dryer. So that's the unboxing of the GE Dryer Power Electric Cord.